Imagine a wheel with a circumference of 5 meters. Each full turn means the vehicle has traveled 5 meters. By simply counting the rotations, you could measure the distance. But there was a problem. What if the wheel spun too fast to keep track? To solve this, you install an 18-tooth gear on the axle, known as the driving gear. It meshes with a 54-tooth gear, called the lower gear, because the ratio is 1 to 3. Every 3 turns of the driving gear make the lower gear rotate once. This slows down the count and makes it much easier to measure. But you don't stop there. Above the lower gear, you add a small 3-tooth gear, which connects to a much larger 100-tooth gear. Now, when the large gear turns once, the wheel has turned exactly 100 times. Since the wheel's circumference is 5 meters, 100 rotations equal 500 meters. One li in ancient Chinese measure. In other words, every full turn of the large gear marks one li traveled. Still, you wouldn't want to stare at the gears all the time, right? So you add a cam mechanism linked by a cord to a little wooden figure on the carriage roof. Each time the cam completes a cycle, once per li, the figure raises its arm and strikes a drum. All you need to do is count the drum beats and the distance takes care of itself. Congratulations, you've just invented the Jili Guche, the ancient Chinese odometer, first recorded in the Western Han Dynasty and further refined in the Song Dynasty with even more intricate double recording mechanisms. It was a brilliant union of craftsmanship and scientific thought. This ingenious machine's glory can still be appreciated today.